Layoffs are exploding in 2026, blindsiding many. If you work in tech or beyond, you need to understand what's really behind these massive job cuts right now. Tech layoffs are not just rising, they are shattering records. In 2026 alone, companies have announced 78,557 job cuts globally, with nearly 77% of those from US-based firms. Meta alone plans to cut 10% of its workforce, about 8,000 jobs. This wave is even bigger than 2025, which saw over 100,000 tech layoffs. If you work in tech, these numbers are a warning sign of deep industry shifts. AI's role in layoffs is no longer a rumor. More than half of the 100,000 tech layoffs in 2025 were linked to AI adoption. By the end of Q1 2026, AI-driven layoffs surpassed 100,000 globally, and the pace is speeding up. Big names like Microsoft, Disney, and ASML are cutting jobs as automation and AI tools replace roles once done by humans. This trend signals a fundamental shift in how companies operate. The U.S. tech workforce is taking the hardest hit, accounting for nearly 77% of all tech layoffs worldwide in 2026. With giants like Meta and Microsoft leading cuts, many skilled employees face uncertainty. But it's not just entry-level jobs. AI is replacing roles across the board, from routine tasks to specialized positions, creating ripple effects across the economy. The layoff story most people hear is incomplete and misleading. Many assume layoffs come from economic slowdown or company failures alone. But AI's rapid integration is reshaping workforce needs faster than expected. This disconnect leaves workers unprepared for the scale and speed of job displacement, causing shock when cuts hit. With AI-driven layoffs already past 100,000 in early 2026 and accelerating, expect this trend to continue. Companies across industries will increasingly rely on AI to boost efficiency, reducing demand for certain jobs. Workers must adapt by developing skills that complement AI or move into roles AI can't easily replace. Staying informed and proactive is critical for survival in this evolving job market. Layoffs are skyrocketing because AI is rapidly transforming industries, especially tech. If you work in these sectors, understanding this shift is urgent. Upskill, stay agile, and prepare for a future where AI changes how and where you work. For more updates and survival tips, subscribe to Daily Q&A now.